children. Namaste to all. I hope you are healthy and safe at home during this COVID pandemic situation. Children, today is the 14th November. Everywhere all over India we are celebrating Children's Day. Due to this pandemic situation, we are celebrating online Children's Day. Children, the sweetest period of anyone's life is their childhood. The most precious thing in the world is smile on the faces of the children. Every day, every moment, we want to see your smile and happiness. So, in this special occasion, I wish you all a happy Children's Day. Be safe, healthy at home. At the same time, I want to wish you happy Diwali. We are celebrating Diwali. So I wish you all happy Diwali. I wish you all a blessed with peace, prosperity, happiness, good health and grand success. Happy Diwali 2020. So children, don't burn the crackers, don't pollute the environment, because the environment already is polluted. Who are polluting? We are all polluting. So don't burn the crackers. Be safe at home. Okay, have a nice day. Once again, I wish you all happy Children's Day and happy Diwali. Thank you very much.
Children, are you all ready for the test? Okay, open your class test books now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, what happened?
We did not study, ma'am.
But yesterday I told you that there will be test tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we went to marriage,
So all the three went to the same marriage.
Yes, ma'am. I took my friends to my best friend's sister's marriage. Yes, ma'am. I
Okay, so today I'll give you excuse, but tomorrow there will be no excuses. So better prepare and come. Understood?
Ma'am, you know, ma'am, while coming, even car also got punctured,
Yes,
ma'am. And we have reached to Western and Ma'am, give us only 2 days time, ma'am. 2 days time. Definitely we will write, ma'am, and we'll score good marks, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely we will write. We want 2 days. 2 days, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
This is seems like a story.
No, ma'am. Really, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you time. Just be prepared. Okay, at least prepare now.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
there will be no excuses. Remember, there will be no excuses. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Anita, how did we say yesterday, no, madam, to postpone the exam?
Tomorrow also.
Yes,
Tomorrow also we will request madam. Madam will still. Yes. Again we can enjoy.
See, you will be having only 2 questions. One question carries 1 mark, and the other question carries 99 marks. Okay?
Second question
So only 2 questions you will be having.
Okay.
Now, just concentrate on your papers and write your answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
First question, what is your name?
The first question is, what is your name? What is the first question? What is your name?
I finished, ma'am. Ma'am, which tire got punctured, ma'am? Second question.
Yes. Anita stand. Shruti stand. Sirisha stand. These related to the subject. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What did I have given the question paper? Because you lied me yesterday that your car got punctured. Yes, that is a lie. And how I came to know that?
No, ma'am, it's correct.
No, let me finish.
Ma'am.
Let me finish. It is completely wrong because see the answers you have given different answers for the same question. Which tire got punctured? So what is the answer you have? All the three you have given different answers. Yes? If it is correct, you would have given the right answer, right? Then why all this?
Sorry, ma'am.
Next time we'll not.
Extremely
See
sorry.
children, I will just tell you one thing.
Sorry, ma'am.
Education is important, but other than education, the most important thing is you have to be faithful. Okay? You have to be honesty. You have to be honest. You have to be sincere. Understood? And the main thing is you have to respect your elders. You can't cheat your elders, children. That is the wrong way.
Ma'am,
And ultimately, you will be the losers. No teacher will be a loser or no parent will be the loser. If you lie, if you bluff somebody, that is a bluff to yourself only.
Sorry,
Not others.
next time we'll not do that.
Hope you all have enjoyed this video.
Don't waste your time, children. Each and every minute counts in our life. So don't waste the time.
Student life is golden life. Children will not come back again and again. So please work hard, study well, enjoy your each and every moment of the life.
Happy Children's Day!
Hello, my dear children. On this Children's Day, we all miss you a lot. The celebrations look dull without you all present around us. But we have to follow the pandemic protocol to keep you all safer. This year is not another year. The circumstances are not normal. The school is missing your noise. The school ground is missing you all running around. The school bell is silent nowadays. But children, these days would not long last. On this occasion, I remember the lines recently written by the famed Indian writer Arundhati Roy. This pandemic is a portal. We all should together walk through it safer and into a more just world. Whatever may be the conditions, whatever may be the situations, but I can't stop myself wishing my dear children a very happy Children's Day.
DAV ಓರಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಮಂದಿರ ಶಾಲೆ ಚಿತ್ತಾಪುರ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಾನು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಒಗಟುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆ ಒಗಟುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಕೂಗಿದರೆ ರಾವಣ, ಹಾರಿದರೆ ಹನುಮಂತ, ಕೂತರೆ ಮುನಿ, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅದು ಏನು? ಎರಡನೇ ಒಗಟು, ಕರಿಸೀರಿ ಉಟ್ಟಾಳ, ಕಾಲುಂಗುರ ತೊಟ್ಟಾಳ, ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳ, ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾಳ, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅದು ಏನು? ಮೂರನೇ ಒಗಟು, ಮುಳ್ಳುಗಳಿವೆ ಅಪಾಯವಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಿವೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕದ ಪುಸ್ತಕವಲ್ಲ, ಗಂಟೆ ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತದೆ ದೇವಾಲಯವಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅದು ಏನು? ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಗಟುಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳಿ. ಉತ್ತರ ಹೊಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳು ಹೀಗಿವೆ. ಉತ್ತರಗಳು ಒಂದನೇದ್ದು ಕಪ್ಪೆ, ಎರಡನೇದ್ದು ಒಣಕೆ, ಮೂರನೇ ಒಗಟಿನ ಅರ್ಥ ಗಡಿಯಾರ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಇರಿ, ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿರಿ.
नमस्कार बच्चों, आप सभी को बाल दिवस के हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। बच्चों, दुनिया का सबसे सच्चा समय, दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा दिन, दुनिया का सबसे हसीन पल, दुनिया का सबसे हसीन पल सिर्फ बचपन में ही मिलता है बच्चों। आप सभी को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं बताते हुए बच्चों, आशा करता हूं आप अपने माता पिता, बड़े बुजुर्गों का सदा सम्मान आदर करते रहेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Namaste children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great children. A very happy Children's Day to everybody. How I wish this pandemic was not there. How I wish we all were together back in our school. How I wish we could celebrate this day all together in our DAV Orient Gyan Mandir. Correct? Nevertheless, there definitely will be a sunshine. We are sooner going to be together in our school in the same roof, having our normal life, right? Children, this day also takes me to my memories from my childhood. This day, we also used to celebrate with a great enthusiasm. We used to be in our colored dress. Our teachers used to bring on lots of activities for us. We used to play a lot. We used to have lots of sweets by our teachers. And how I wish even we would have done this one like how we used to do in our previous years, right? For you people. Nevertheless, the days are definitely going to change. And this day also reminds me of a song which I would like to sing for you people. हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता बबलू डब्लू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे टू यू, और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे टू यू। यस, खाने को मिलते बहुत सारे लड्डू एंड दुनिया हमको भी विश करती अ हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे टू यू। Gone are those days for us, but I hope, I wish that your childhood and your days are beautiful, with lots of good health and prosperity, and have a great, 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 great future. I have a teacher's prayer for you people, which is quite close to my heart. The words are awesome. And this poem is being written by James Metcalf, and the prayer goes like this. I want to teach my students how to live this life on earth, to face its struggle and its strife to, and to improve their worth. Not just the lesson in the book or how the rivers flow, but to choose the proper way wherever they go, to understand the eternal truth and to know right from wrong, and gather all the beauty from flower and song. I want to teach my students how to live this life on earth, to face its struggle and its strife and to improve their worth. For if I had to help a world to grow in wisdom and grace, then I feel had won and I have filled my place. And so I ask your guidance, God, that I might do my part for character and confidence and happiness of heart. I want to teach my students to live this life on earth, to face its struggle and its strife and to improve their worth. Once again, a happy Children's Day to you all. God bless you.
Hi children, happy Children's Day. Stay in home. Every day, morning and evening, do exercise, do yoga. Be safe, be active. Happy Children's Day.
You are the birds in the garden. You are the stars in the sky. You are the birds in the garden. You are the stars in the sky. You are children, we want to share. You are children, we want to share. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. darkness. You are the future of the nation. You are children, we want to say. You are children, we want to say. Happy Children's Day. 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 Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Hi little friends, happy Children's Day to all. Children, I want to share something with you all. It is here. You are all my sweet child, you are my lifeline. Even the thought of being without you sends shiver down my spine. You are all a different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Children, you are the soul of the school. Like a human body is incomplete without the soul, we are incomplete without you. Children, we need your presence. Without your presence, we are meaningless. Isn't it, children? Children, you are the future of the generation, you are the future of the country. You have to grow, you have to move from all these obstacles from last 6 months, and I hope that children you will come very soon to the school and together we will progress. Isn't it, children? So once again, I love you all. Happy Children's Day.
आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम। मैं पार्वती सूर्यवंशी आप सभी को बाल दिवस और दिवाली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। बच्चों, आपके समक्ष में बाल दिवस के उपलक्ष्य पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। बच्चे होते हैं मन के सच्चे, बच्चे होते हैं मन के सच्चे, इनको ना बढ़ने से रोके, इनको ना बढ़ने से रोके, दिखाए इन्हें सच्ची राह, दिखाए इन्हें सच्ची राह, यही बढ़ाएंगे देश का नाम, यही बढ़ाएंगे देश का नाम। चाचा नेहरू का जन्म दिवस है आया, चाचा नेहरू का जन्म दिवस है आया, बच्चों के लिए तोहफा लाया, बच्चों के लिए तोहफा लाया, बाल दिवस का तोहफा लाया, बाल दिवस का तोहफा लाया, बच्चों का है मन हर्षाया, बच्चों का है मन हर्षाया, बचपन का यह समय तुम्हारा, बचपन का यह समय तुम्हारा है बड़ा अनमोल खजाना, है बड़ा अनमोल खजाना, इसी पर टिका भविष्य तुम्हारा, इसी पर टिका भविष्य तुम्हारा, पढ़ लिख कर कुछ नाम कमाना, पढ़ लिख कर कुछ नाम कमाना। यही बच्चों आपके लिए मेरी तरफ से संदेश है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Children, do you know what? You are our real teachers. You know why? Because you teach us 3 important things of our life. The first one is to be happy without any reason. The second thing is to be always busy with something. And the third thing is to ask whatever you want with all your might. So thank you for that, children. And every child is unique in a special way. And so you are. You are the people who bring us happiness and smile on our face. Thank you for that. A very happy Children's Day to you all. And be safe and happy at home.
Good morning one and all. This is Nehalata Patlola. On this special day, a special wish to all my little children. Childhood is an enchanting vista and endless fun, a joyful classroom and experience, an era of imagination. Children, you are the future of our country. So focus on your aims, be good and do good. All the best for your bright future. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day, children. Happy Deepavali.
Happy Children's Day and happy Deepavali to all my dear children.